welcome to BHS's next video series, Ask BHS. I'm Chuck Ray, and I'm joined with my longtime colleague, Ken Schweihart, our aftermarket support manager. Ken, good to have you here. What are we going to talk about today?
Trimming powered rollers.
So that is really relevant to which products in our lineup?
All of the operator aboard battery extractors have the powered rollers on them. The powered rollers are covered in a plastic coating which gives the rollers the friction to move the batteries and also acts as a braking system for the batteries when they're on the unit to keep them steady. Over time, with the weight of the batteries, the plastic does extrude, gets longer, like rolling clay on a table between your hand.
Gotcha.
So as a point of maintenance, that plastic needs to be trimmed back every now and then. It's a quick and easy two-man operation that takes less than a minute a roller.
Wow, okay, good deal. So now we're gonna switch you over and we're gonna demonstrate to you, I should say Ken is gonna demonstrate to you, and I'm going
with your
to assist
assistance
on how you can perform this needed function on the operator board battery extractors.
So we are here at the BHS demo showroom battery extractor, and we're going to talk about why we need to trim the power rollers and go through the process of actually trimming the powered rollers. So this is a machine that doesn't get a lot of batteries rolled across the rollers, so these rollers are in pretty good shape, pretty well trimmed. You can see down here the plastic of the rollers is trimmed very nicely. Over time, these will extrude out. If the plastic extrudes far enough that it contacts the frame, the rollers can bind up. It stops the rollers from rolling, which will lead to either broken rollers, broken chains, possibly blown motor seals. All of those things could be the result of not trimming the powered rollers regularly. So, in order to trim the powered rollers regularly, you want to use one of the bearing bolts as a guide tool against the frame. We're using a skewed oval lathe tool. This one is available from BHS. Have your trusted operator, trusted and trained operator, roll the rollers towards you and apply light pressure, and that will trim the rollers, which we will demonstrate now.
Ken, that was great advice. Thanks for demonstrating that power roller trim for us on the operator aboard battery extractors. How do they get hold of you?
The number is 877-BHS4U, and that'll ring straight to the parts and service department here at BHS. You can also chat with us over the website or the app, BHS Optima, or you can email service@bhs1.com.
Great, Ken, thanks. I know that's going to be a load of help to people out there in the field. If you've got any other questions for the BHS team, don't hesitate to call the aftermarket support team or your inside sales rep. Thank you for joining us on this first episode of Ask BHS. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.